Nothing too exciting today, if this ever makes it to a vlog. Although, look at that. High and tight, shaved, I got all cleaned up. What's today? Thursday, October 14th. I'm going to jump in the Mini and the skid steer for just a little bit. And then I'm going to switch to Polaris with our electric. That's going to come back in the garage, so that when we go hunting, or if Sharon comes to pick me up out of the stand, we use the electric from now on. So we just get a little bit of machine work and fresh air.
Disarm system now. Enter code to disarm. Disarmed. Ready to arm.
The Bob twins, gotta love that. The tree is dead also. So I'm gonna see if I could push it back, maybe break it off. I don't think so. Alright, well, I'll leave that for now because I don't feel like getting a chainsaw out. Oh, wait a minute. Sure I don't fall in here. I'm over the edge there. There we go. One, let's get him out of the way. That way I can expand this thing even bigger. Me and Sharon had a discussion about it, and we're gonna make this whole thing part of this new pad. Now that bigger piece, yeah, I don't think I'll have the juice for that one. So tomorrow I'm supposed to go over to Phil's. I'm going to buy a deer blind off of him, and then we're going to build a wooden tower for it. I got one spot here on the farm that I want to try to take advantage of this season. It's kind of right in the very middle of the farm, but the deer travel right through that area. Turn some tunes on. Get some mojo going. I gotta do my review on this. Actually, I gotta do a review on all three machines. The T650's got 200 and some hours on it. This one's got 70, and the Coyote's got over 100. So I need to do reviews on all three of them. All right, let's grab the electric. You can see I got my camo tarp up here that I keep on there, so when I'm take it out in the field hunting, that unravels over the whole vehicle and camouflages it pretty well, I might add. Alright, let's see if we got juice. She was dead yesterday. Oh, here we go. Alright, we'll trade positions and then we'll be ready. Let's close it all up. Alright, here's an after look after today's activity on October 14th. So this little bump in, that's where the pipe ends. So I'm building around it on both ways, so you can see I'm way past the pipe here, but I think my pipe repair has been holding because it's still trickling water out of it. So I think it's going to be good to go, and with all this weight and compaction on here, I think it'll be fine. So we bumped it out another 10 feet or so today, and then this is all new over here. So I just got to level this behind that junk basically. So from here all the way across is going to be all, you know, new pad, and I can get a bunch of this junk and stuff. Everything will be parked up here kind of out of the way and get this place cleaned up a little bit. So that's it for today. All right, so here's an after look after another session. Today's October 22nd. I got this spot filled in. I brought that back up. I still need a little bit more back there, but you can see how it's growing larger every time I work on it. So that was the edge right behind that timbers there. So you could see I got a whole new section there. So we're making progress. That's where the pipe is, so I can't go any farther there. And I'll show you the borrow pit. It's getting bigger and bigger. So I've been working on shaving this hump, and once I'm all done, I'll just regrade this all, and you'll never know what was missing. So a little more progress. It's a lot of dirt to move to build this much. You know, it's 5, 6, 7 feet high, this whole thing. But we're making progress.